Hello everyone, I'm Adam Wren, the creator of the UE4 Docker Python package and the Unreal Containers Community Hub. People often say to me, oh, it's cool that the Unreal Engine can run inside Docker containers, but what is it that you can actually do with them? So in this video, I'm going to provide a very brief overview of the key use cases for Unreal Engine containers. Now, there are a wide variety of use cases for Unreal containers, but I'm just going to be focusing on the big three here. So these are continuous integration, cloud rendering, and microservices. Docker containers are used quite widely in modern CI/CD pipelines because they provide a clean, reproducible build environment in which to compile and test software. Unreal Engine containers provide these same benefits for building and packaging Unreal projects and plugins. In addition to building artifacts for traditional distribution channels, you can also build new container images that bundle a packaged Unreal project with its runtime dependencies so that it can then be deployed in the cloud. That leads us nicely to the second big use case, which is performing 2D or 3D rendering in the cloud. By running a packaged Unreal project in a GPU-accelerated container, you can perform server-based rendering in real time and then consume the rendered outputs from another application. This might involve streaming outputs to a web browser or client application, or even using the rendered outputs as training data for cloud-based training of machine learning algorithms such as neural networks. You can even take this a step further by designing Unreal applications as microservices that provide functionality such as rendering, physics simulations, or particle simulations as a service that can then be consumed by client applications or other microservices. Thanks to Unreal Engine containers, you can build and deploy these UE4-powered microservices using the same industry-standard tools and workflows that you use to build traditional microservices. For example, you might expose functionality via an API using the popular gRPC framework, and then deploy your microservice alongside other microservices at scale using a container orchestrator such as Kubernetes. So these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. If you'd like to learn more about using Unreal Engine containers, then head on over to the Unreal Containers Community Hub, where you'll find extensive documentation, training materials, and a selection of community-curated resources. Thanks for watching.